Breaking news. Things are going to get hectic in New Zealand, this top half of the North Island. When Billy brings Ash, misfire, over here. And here, 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 and anywhere where there are fat rotors. Breaking news. Billy's got a plan for misfire. Hello and welcome to my presentation to misfire, what we should do for our little trip where we're going to go away with. My plan for you is to a 7 to 10 day trip up to North Island only. Stop at every possible rotor shop or shed we can. What we need from people is the viewers. We need them to contact us if they want us to come to their shed. But I have a big list here of just some of the businesses here that we have got in our lovely little country. Hence, so this is my sort of plan, is to head from Auckland airport, head up to Whangarei ways. There's got to be something up there surely. And then we'll come back down, we'll come through do the Auckland, the South Auckland styles, call into around my house, Bookie home, in case there's something wrong with our van, because we're going to fix our van up. And then come down through Hamilton, Cambridge, down either to Taupo, down to New Plymouth, Whangarei, Fielding, Wellington, Marston, come back up here, come back through the Bay of Plenty, Te Puke, Tauranga, Rotary, Tauranga, and then back up through the coromandel ways and home. We plan on doing this in a month's time. We really need people to get on board to tell us where they want us to go or who wants to see us, because we'd like to see everybody. We'd really like to see everyone in the whole top of North Island if we can. If you've got a fat rotor, we want to see it. We've just got a lot of stuff to do as well. It's really all go. But that is my pitch to everybody and misfire. But if you have got contacts, just contact me or misfire, and we'll bring the Aussie over here and we'll show them top of New Zealand. We'll show them all the rotor shops. We'll show you what all the rotors shops have to offer in New Zealand, because I know they're all awesome dudes, and that'll be our great. That's what we're doing. So that's going to happen in a month, which is the 19th of June, but to be advised. And there you go. That's what I got for us. That's what I'm thinking.